your back leg down. Nigga bet they know me now. I'm the young can't no pig beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl and I coming back with another video. So I'm waiting for my food. I'm at the bakery right now. I'm about to get a French toast bagel, but the line is literally crazy. I'm going to the gym and I'm running late. Should have been at the gym, but yeah, I'm gonna just be running some errands today. Going to get my hair done. This is like a old silk press that needs to be revived. So, and yeah, I'm gonna just be running around today. As yesterday I met a supporter and she was so pretty and so cute. She was like, I watch you on YouTube, I love your videos. I was like, but I miss you guys. How have you guys been? What's new? What's popping? What's up? How's life? Give me the tea. I'm gonna give you the tea. Say no, there's no tea. Ooh. Egg and cheese on a French toast bagel.
Sure.
And
anything else?
Can I have it with cinnamon sugar? And then can I have a cranberry juice? The line is so long and it stays like this for 20 minutes, I swear. But the food is so good, so it's worth it. I'm gonna show you guys my food.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist.
5 more. 5 more? Yep, come on. You were late. Come on. Low. There you go.
Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what?
Mondays, girl, I wait. Making plans for you. And I won't let them fall through.
This is my favorite exercise.
I think I love for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cries for you. When you want me to, like controller, yeah, like controller, yeah. Okay, like when I get arrested, tell you to go faster, like controller, yeah, like
This is the final results. It's so cute. It's giving body. It's giving. My hair is growing so fast. I got 2 hours or so, or 3 hours before I have to go into work. So I'm gonna go to a restaurant, take myself on a date. Why not? You know, Dolo. I'm craving a margarita, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna find a place to eat and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. So I ended up going to Applebee's. I was looking at the drinks and I got the white peach sangria. What? When I tell you that I wasn't expecting it to be this good, like this is probably the best drink I ever had from Applebee's. And then I got my food. I know it don't look good right here. It's only because it was dark. I swear it was good. But shrimp, steak, and mashed potatoes. This is what the only thing that I really want from Applebee's. And yeah, that's me enjoying my food. People were staring at me because I was sitting alone. A little more drinky drink, feeling real nice. I ate my food and got out. Guys, I'm in Burlington. Look at how cute this color is. I need like a simple, just black bag. So this area of Burlington and like Marshalls and stuff is always so chaotic, but it's really my favorite part because you can find some good stuff in here. Let's see what we find. Lavender and jasmine body oil. And then this one, this says multi-use. This face roller that they have is really cute. Oh, there's another one of the oil that I got. So I think these pants would be really cute for work. Let me search. Because I'm always trying to buy work clothes, so, and they're only $10. These are really cute for $8. I feel like this sweater is so cute for work, and it's on sale for $20. So I'm back home from work looking very tired. As you can see, I'm ready to go to sleep, but I wanted to show you guys this robe that I got. It's so like fuzzy and I'm about to sleep real good. It was only $10 at Burlington, so go to Burlington. Thank you guys for watching this video. Love you guys. I hope you have a good day, good night. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.